The Suzuki Access 125. The front LED light has two beams, the lower beam and a high beam here, and the LED gives a nice reflection and gives a quite stunning look to this scooter. The front you have a Suzuki logo here, and there are two indicators, and the mirror looks quite attractive. It has a retro look in it and it's quite stylish and steely. The front, it comes with a telescopic suspension. For Indian roads, the telescopic suspension helps a lot in case of all the potholes and all the things in the road. The telescopic suspension gives a quite good nice ride. At front, it comes with a 12 inches tire along with the disc brakes and reflectors also. It comes with a combined braking system. The combined braking system, it helps scooter to control while you brake. That is by giving the equal amount of braking for both the tires. The instruments cluster is really cool. You can see the engine logo here and also the buzzer and with the indicators, and also with the trip meter along with the fuel indicator along with different modes of trip and time, and all the settings are there in this meter. The seat looks really good. The seat looks comfortable and it is the longest seat of all. At back it has the fuel tank lid, and here you can see the lid. The only thing is you have to open this lid from your own key. The engine, it comes with the BS6 version F5 fuel injected engine. Here you can see there's a pouch holder to put all your things, and also it comes with the charge. There's a charge plug point, you can charge on the go. There's the ignite switch here, then there's a high beam low beam switch, indicator, then horn. Along with the key dash, it comes with the central lock and main lock there. Then it has a hook, and second hook also you can see here. The foot grips looks quite good. This scooter comes with a ground clearance of 160 mm. The engine output is 8.7 PS at 6750 rpm and the torque of 10 Newton meter with 5500 rpm. It is a fuel injected BS6 Access 125. Okay, the scooter feels quite comfortable, really good. It has a good grip. The handle grip is also nice, and the handle height is quite good. You will not feel the stress and you will not feel the tiredness. The pickup is really good in this one, and the shock absorber in this concrete road also, the shock absorber gives a nice feedback where you will not have any trouble in riding in this city and also in hard roads. The company claims a mileage around 60 kmpl in this scooter, and it can give you easily 45 to 50. In city conditions it will give you 45 kilometers to 50 kilometers, and in highway it can give you 50 to 55 also. The turning radius is also quite good and it feels pretty smooth to ride. Okay, let's check the speed. Wow, now let's check the braking. Front brakes. Ooh. Okay, the front brake does a quite nice job. Let's test the back brake now at full acceleration. Okay, now let's test the back brakes. Okay, wow. The back pull is also good. The front pull was really extremely good without even any skidding or without even the front wheel catch. The back brakes also was really nice. The feedback of back brakes is really good. In highway conditions, it is really punchy. The engine is really punchy. And let's check the brakes again. Yes, the brakes are good. Wow, the throttle response, the engine responds within few milliseconds and gives you nice feedback. The throttle is really good. And all this bad road also, the telescopic suspension does a really quite good job. The engine feels really smooth in all the ways. The F5 BS6 fuel injected engine is next level. The ride quality of this scooter is really good when you compare to other Activas or the other scooter, Dio, Maestro and many other in this segment of 125cc. The ride quality of this scooter is nice and way better. Only when you give full throttle you can hear the sound, otherwise the engine feels very silent and there is no noise. This scooter comes with all the exciting features, all the exciting is engine, and it has everything which you need for a scooter. From riding comfort to speed to mileage, everything is really good in this one, and I suggest this scooter to everyone. Because of all these features, this scooter stands first in the segment, and there is no doubt for daily commuters this will be a good one. I thank Suzuki Pi Sales for giving this scooter for test ride review.